500 rupees direct to PhonePe from Nielsen app. Here's the complete proof. I've withdrawn twice, and this is exactly how it works. Hello everyone. Nielsen isn't a typical earning app. It's a global research company since 1923. Simple concept. Install the app, let it track your mobile usage for research, earn 50 points daily. That's 500 rupees in 3 months, completely passive. Opening Nielsen app. 10,700 total points earned. Let me show you the withdrawal process. Going to redeem points. Log in with mobile and password. I'll blur these, complete the Captcha verification and log in. 2 options, vouchers or UPI. I choose UPI. Now entered my UPI ID, then selected the UPI amount, the options from 100 rupee to 500 rupee maximum. I had selected the rupees 500, as I am having sufficient points. 5,500 points equals 500 rupees. When I registered with Nielsen More app, they kept me on wait list. Now I had accepted for terms and conditions, and clicked on redeem your points. It is a legit company, but do they track usage and location but do not sell to third parties. You can verify it online. I am using it from the past 4 years. After confirming, OTP is sent to my registered mobile number. Just enter the OTP and clicked on submit. That's it. My redemption is success and pending for processing. And mail is also sent to my registered email, saying redemption success and reward will be sent in 5 business days. I had redeemed on 1st October. And on 3rd October, I had got another mail confirming the redemption request processed. In my case, it took 2 days for processing. Then I had opened my PhonePe app. I had credited with 500 rupees from Nielsen Media India Private Limited. Before you go, 2 quick tips. Nielsen sometimes awards bonus points, anywhere from 200 to 350, completely at random, and honestly, I'm not sure what triggers them. Also, your points will expire if you don't redeem in time. So here's my advice. As soon as you hit the 5,500 point mark, go ahead and redeem. That way you lock in the maximum 500 rupees without risking any expired points. Thanks for watching. If you are having any doubts about the app, and if you know any such other earning apps like this, please comment.